Air Sea containers offer a range of combination packaging solutions for the transportation of Class 6.2 Category A infectious substances, with or without thermal control, in volumes from 50 millilitres to 4 litres. Having successfully undergone independently verified tests, such as a 9-metre drop test, this range is UN approved for compliant transportation of Category A infectious substances and is immediately available with no minimum order quantity. Category A infectious substances require a triple packaging solution, which in this example consists of a leak-proof primary receptacle, a leak-proof secondary packaging capable of withstanding an internal pressure of 95 kPa, and a rigid outer packaging. Absorbent material and cushioning will also be required. Always refer to the Code 500 assembly instructions when assembling this package. Place the sealed leak-proof primary receptacles within the cushioning material. Add the required absorbent into the leak-proof secondary packaging biojar along with the wrapped primary receptacles. Securely close the leak-proof lid. Place the biojar in the outer triple packaging. Close the outer packaging flaps in numerical order as printed on the box, securing flap 4 with a pre-placed double-sided tape. Seal with 75mm adhesive tape in a U-shape. Your product is now correctly packaged and ready for the appropriate hazard labels to be affixed and all other necessary consignment information ready for transport.